As a repair shop owner, have you ever wondered why no matter what marketing strategy you deploy, you never seem to get customers in the door? I figured out that there's 7 ugly truths about your customers that you've got to know before you do any marketing. Buckle up, because I'm going to explain them all to you right now. I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. If this is your first time and you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your business, income, and profits, and finally attain the lifestyle you know you and your family deserve, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon. That way I'll continue to share tips, tricks, and strategies, and you'll be the first to know about it. So, you want to know what the 7 ugly truths about your customer really are? Then let's jump right into it. Number 1, customers lead busy lives, and it's not their job to remember you. Think about it. You know, a full day of work, and then there's the family things, then there's the kids' football practice, dance lessons, piano lessons, and maybe just a couple of minutes to myself. When do they have the time to think about you? And besides, it's not their job. Number 2, no matter what you think, your customers only buy what they want or need. And in fact, you do the same thing. You don't go out and just buy something because it's on sale. You only buy what you want or what you need. Then when it comes to auto service, number 3, the only service that your customer knows they need is an oil change. Now wait a second. Don't start rolling your eyes and running, because this isn't about cheap oil changes. But the simple fact of the matter is, from the time they got their first car, it was probably Dad that told them, remember to get your oil changed on a regular basis. And that's what they know they need. So you can continue to advertise specials on timing belts, alignments, catalytic converters. Go ahead and knock yourself out. They may need it, but they don't know they need it. Just like you won't buy stuff just because it's on sale, why would your customers? Number 4, your customers shop. Want me to prove it to you? Do you shop at Walmart and Costco and Target? But if you stopped and looked at what you're actually buying, don't you think you could get the same stuff from just any one of those stores? Now, I'm not talking about particular brands or specifics. I'm talking about the general things that you go out and buy. Don't you think that you could get them all from just one store? Well, let me tell you this. You shop too. In the comments below, do me a favor and tell me what your shopping habits are like. Do you shop at Walmart and Costco and Target? Let me know in the comments below. Number 5, your customers are overwhelmed with messages. Now, there have been studies all over the board, but typically it's 3,000 or 4,000 messages that they see every day. Number 6, your customers think you don't care. On average, every business is going to lose about 19% of their customers every year. That's because, unfortunately, some of them die, some of them get lured away by the competitors or the new car dealers or the big box stores. Some of them move away. But an overwhelming number of customers, I believe it's something like 56%, leave your shop because of indifference. In other words, they think you don't care. So when I talk to repair shop owners who want to fix their marketing, I ask them point blank, when's the last time you sent out a newsletter, an email, a blast, or a direct marketing piece, or even a simple thank you card? And the silence is sort of deafening. The 7th ugly truth about your customers, they have the attention span of a goldfish. Look, it's far beyond my pay grade to figure out how they determine what the attention span of a goldfish is, but you can Google this if you want. There's been a lot of research, and especially since the advent of our quick communications with text messaging, people's attention spans have become shorter and shorter and shorter. And it's been determined that we have an attention span of 8 seconds. That's less than a goldfish. So if you can't break through the noise and get your customers' attention, never mind all the other things, if you can't break through the noise and get your customers' attention, there's absolutely no way that you're ever going to get them to come in. Before you leave, don't forget to leave me your comments below and tell me where you shop. And while you're here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and join the conversation. Ring the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I release new tips, tricks, and hacks. My name's Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer, and I'm so glad you're here. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.